Oh my freaking goodness. Every dang morning, this woodpecker comes over and pecks on my stucco. And this isn't, you know, styrofoam stucco. This is the real stucco made of concrete. Or at least made of masonry products. It's hard. And he sits over here and he taps his Morse code looking for a mate for like ever. And then I have to go out and chase him away. He's not looking for food. There's nowhere to find food in stucco. At least today I was awake. It's like, wow, he's getting rambunctious now. So annoying, guys. I'm just sitting here, laying here, reading the news, so I'm awake. But some mornings, it'll do it like 7 o'clock in the morning. I think it might be a sapsucker. What are they called? Yellow-bellied sapsuckers or something, like red-bellied sapsuckers. Holy cow. Come in. Sometimes I can pound on the wall and he'll fly away, but I'll go out there and scare him. See if I can get a video of him. There he is. Let's see if we can see him. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's gonna peck in the tree. I don't think I can zoom in any further. So much more quiet pecking on the tree, little stinker. That little jerk. He started actually pecking on the foam. The only foam that we have is the toppers. And he freaking pecked a hole in it. So now I gotta cover. I gotta try to deter him somehow. Gosh darn it. Unbelievable. I can't have anything, guys. That little